So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy SPY call options in Canada or ticker symbol SPY here in Canada using the Wealthsimple mobile application. So what you have to do first off is go into the Wealthsimple app, go to the bottom and type and press on the magnifying glass icon. Now what you can either do is go to the search bar and simply just type in SPY or type in SPY. And then the first option right there is what you want, or what you can do is press on cancel, go to the options tab right here, then go to where it says more. Swipe all the way down until you come across SPY SPY and then press on that right there. Now if you wanted to buy SPY call options in Canada, make sure that at the top here it says SPY will rise by. If for whatever reason it says fall, make sure you just press on where it says rise and make sure that call option is checked. So for me that it is, we'll just go ahead and keep it that way. So SPY will rise by, and what you can do is go ahead and change the date. So you can go ahead and change the date to whatever date you wish to do, but for demonstration purposes we're just going to keep it the same. Now what you can do is actually press a different price here, so you can browse the prices, browse the options, and if you want to press on, for example, this one right here, you can press on that one for in the money, $436 call option. Once that is done, press on buy, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy some SPY call options here in Canada, ticker symbol SPY here on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.